jalupo gai mar obila ochopo e doho ma Milimani malero kama jandiko e mbui Ndiangui Kinyagie nitiere ndalo 11 nyaka nolal kaluwore kod okil mar okwach kich giramo ni okwach kich onge kod jandikono ni gin bende gimanye kama entiere. Okinde mar jandiko noero kotelnegi kod Martha Karua kod Babu Owino odagi neno mar okinde mag okwach kich go kendo nyiso doho ni okwach kich oketo nyao e yango kama jandiko no nitiere. Burano dhi nyime e doho ka koro sani wadhi ane achiel kachiel e doho mondo wawinjane mago matimore.
It was filed on 26th of June. It's dated, Your Lordship, it's an undated application. It was not dated. But the affidavit in support is dated 26th of June.
And had the inventory?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which you have attached?
Which we have attached. Yes. Which Your Lordship now is materially different, as highlighted by Senior Counsel, in terms of the content, different from the one that has been presented in the replying affidavit. Your Lordship, more particularly, if you look as well as to the replying affidavit, Your Lordship, the deponent of the affidavit alludes to officers being sent, Your Lordship, so that the deponent himself does not place himself in sight during the inventory. Your Lordship, I had it. Let me just highlight it. Your Lordship, I'm now looking at the replying affidavit.
By the respondent?
Yes, by the respondent. Let me just get to the...
He says he's the investigating officer.
No, he does not say, but he alludes to officers being sent.
He says, I am the investigating officer. Did he say something?
He says, I am a police officer.
Not the replying affidavit.
One of the investigating officers. But however, Your Lordship, if you look at...
You know, I don't have it.
Yes.
So just assist me. Where do you want me to see?
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm getting it to you right now. Your Lordship, I'm at paragraph 13, yeah? So 11 and 13, I'm at, this is of the second respondent's replying affidavit. So paragraph 10 alludes to a well-planned and coordinated plan to mobilize people, prompting the investigations, Your Lordship. And now, paragraph 10, we are at the second respondent's replying affidavit. Then 11, but more particularly, Your Lordship, paragraph 13 does not place, and that was my point, Your Lordship, the investigating officer on site during that particular search, because it reads, paragraph 13 of the replying affidavit.
We have all read it.
Yes.
Unless you want to read.
Yes, Your Lordship, that on that date, that is 21st of June, officers of the second respondent visited the said apartment, but confirmed that the door was locked from inside, prompting them to track. But more particularly, even if we were to believe, Your Lordship, the inventories produced now by the respondents, the said deponent, that is Sergeant Samuel Iteki, still does not place himself at the site during the taking of the said inventory, Your Lordship. It only alludes to one, Corporal Leonard Sigay and Corporal Ronald Murgo. so that, Your Lordship, the averments then in this replying affidavit is of no personal knowledge of the deponent and is based on a report or an inventory taken that he is not privy to. Your Lordship, as I conclude, the importance of compliance with your order number 5, Your Lordship, based on the press that was next the link, Your Lordship, is that it is important for the compliance of the said order so that the sentiments captured by the 6th respondent in the press briefing issued yesterday, 30th of June, are those that are well within his personal knowledge, whose veracity, accuracy, and truthfulness can only be asserted, Your Lordship, by way of cross-examination. So that Your Lordship will be urging that this court affirms its orders issued on 30th day of June 2025 and compel for the attendance of the 5th and 6th respondents, Your Lordship, before you to come and ascertain the averments in the press briefing. Your Lordship, I'll say this in passing, that in the said presser, as you'll see on the link, he actually promised to be in court today.
So the link is where?
It's at paragraph 16.
How do I go there?
Later, as you consider.
You want to do that?
Yes, Your
You're
Lordship.
supposed to see that in court, right?
Okay. Well,
You don't need to go and do it
in chamber. So you
should have linked us here so that we
very
see
well.
that you have the right to
We will have made
But,
the prior arrangement.
I'm not saying we do that.
Very well. So, Your Lordship, I will finalize with where senior counsel, our lead, Mother Karua, started from yesterday, Your Lordship. That it is only this honorable court, Your Lordship, by dint of Article 23(1), that is the guardrail of justice. And Your Lordship, under Article 25D of the Constitution of Kenya, which provides for rights that cannot be limited, non-derogable rights at D, includes the right to an order of habeas corpus. Your Lordship, we pray that you protect that right. Otherwise, Your Lordship, the citizenry will be left vulnerable and at the mercies of the high and mighty, and we urge this court to act with speed and uphold public confidence, the rule of law, and constitutionalism. Your Lordship, with the permission of senior counsel, she requests that Babu Owino makes his maiden